Hey, my chocolate babies, it's Kataria. I'm back with another video. Today, I will be installing a frontal wig, and I basically will be, walking y'all through what I'll be doing. It's not gonna be very detailed, but I will have a detailed video coming soon. And don't mind my son, he's just nosy as usual. But I will be starting off with gelling my edges back with Got To Be Glue gel. And yeah, and here in a second, you will see me start to blow dry my edges to make them, hard and slick back or whatnot. So, you guys, I will be doing my ball cap method. I am about to get ready to cut my ear holes. I'm gonna pull down my ball cap a little bit more just so I could get the full, stretch out of the ball cap. And once I do that, I will be cutting my eye holes out. Usually I don't do that, but I could not see at all. And yeah, and I will be also using got to be glued spray to spray around my edges to really follow, how can I say that? Follow my hairline. And yeah. Here I am just going in with my blow dryer to blow dry my edges to get it, get the Got To Be Glue spray hard and all ready for me to cut my ball cap off. Then I will be going in with the color 356, which is my skin tone. And I got some powder, but I end up not using it, so I will be taking that 356 foundation, Fit Me foundation, and putting it all over my ball cap. And yeah, but don't put too much, but it really don't matter. But yeah, you don't want to just have a lot of makeup in one spot, to the point where it's wet, because it will make your ball cap start to, roll back, or it's just a lot of oils in certain makeup, if you understand what I'm saying. And yeah. Then after I finish putting the makeup on, you will see me get ready to start cutting off my ball cap. So here you're seeing me cut my ball cap off. I start by cutting in the middle to take some of the tension off, because I find when you cut on the sides first, it's it kind of make your ball cap peel up on the side and it's hard for it to stick in. But yeah, that's a little tip that I use. And now I'm taking my eyebrow razor. I'm starting to glide the razor up against the edges of the ball cap, the part that's not sticking to my skin. And yeah, and I went in with my scissors too to get really close. So that's all I'm doing at this part. And how can I say that? I know y'all gonna be like, why you ain't sew down the back of your cap? Because I don't want to. I don't feel like it. If you know, you know. But yeah. Now you see me trying to get close. It's close to like my well, you see me trying to take most of the ball cap off that it does not have makeup on it. And it's not gonna be perfect, but you can get it dang near perfect. Now I'm just taking alcohol and a cotton ball and just rubbing any makeup they got on my skin off, so I can get most of the the oils up to any oils that I got in my skin. So when I lay the wig, it won't lift. Here I am just taking my wig and, trying to fit it on my head, trying to see where I want to place it before I actually glue it down. So, yeah. And I also put some makeup in the inside of my wig on the frontal, and I sprayed it with Got to Be glue spray and blow dried it. It can be easier for me if you know, you know. And yeah, and the type of glue I will be using is boho active. I don't even think I put it in the camera to show y'all, but yeah. So now I will begin to add the glue around the perimeter of my edges. I would say add a good amount. I don't add too much because I didn't know how long I wanted to keep this wig on. But yeah. And I would be taking the end of the opera razor and spreading it out. Try to make it as even as possible. So like when you lay your wig, it won't be like glue coming through the lace and different things like that. But yeah, and just be really patient with this part. And don't add another coat of glue until like it's clear, because it's just gonna be a messy situation. Yes, y'all. I know my second coat is not dry yet, but I still ended up laying it on there. It was dry enough. So yeah. Now I will be just placing the top part of my wig in first, and I will start to comb it back gently. Well, it's not really gently, but I will start to comb it back. Then I will pull down the other side. Since this wig is used, I will pull it down a little bit further than I would usually pull it down to basically make a new hairline in a way, and cut some of the old lace that doesn't have any or things like that. And now I will be spraying it with my Tresemme holding spray, and I will be going in with a elastic band to tie it down. And yeah, and I will leave it tied down for about maybe 20, 30 minutes. And as y'all see, I burnt myself with the hair, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah. Some, what is it, BioSilk, just like a, let me see, a dime size in my hand, and rubbed it all over the hair. And I will be using a chase method to flatten my hair to get it straight as possible. So y'all gonna be watching that for a little bit. And also, I did color this wig myself. This wig used to be orange, y'all. That I'm gonna drop on me installing this wig before, when it was orange. And I did dye it then too. But y'all, I lifted. So y'all, as y'all see, I am back. And I know y'all see like it's lifted right there in the middle. Guess what? That's getting cut off. So don't come for me. Cause yeah, that's not even glued down at all. And yeah, and I'm just taking my eyebrow eraser right now and cutting off the excess lace that I didn't glue down. And yeah, I'm steady coming back at different moments and things of the nature, because y'all, I was tired. It was like maybe 4 o'clock in the morning. It was, y'all, don't mind like the facial expressions that I'm making in this video. I'm just all over the place. And I call myself trying to make my part like kind of where I want it to be. I'm just hot combing it. And I think I'm going to go in with my wax stick in a minute. I think I'm using the Cheese Bomb wax stick. Being ready to, let me see. I'm watching this video right along with y'all. I'm getting ready to like take out my edges so I could, figure out what I wanted to do with that. Y'all, I lied. I'm not gonna do my edges yet. I'm going in with my not Nairobi, Tresemme Holding Spray, and spraying my edges and wrapping it down one last time so we can get it melted, And y'all, also do not mind my lighting in this video, because I had my ring light on at first, but y'all, it was really hurting my eyes. So I was just like, what? This will have to do. Like, it will be on sometimes, just like it won't. So I just gotta. Now I'm gonna come back once I take these wrap strips off, and y'all gonna see the results of that. The scalp, do you hear me? Cause don't play. Yes, I see the back of my hairs. Don't say nothing, cause I see them just like you see them. This is after. And see, I started to feel myself for her, y'all. Honestly. Yeah. I don't hairs yet, but you see it. This is the girl. So now I am going in with some more makeup and just, touching up a few spots I feel like need to be touched up. And now, my bad, y'all. I'm getting ready to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs. I honestly did not know how I wanted my baby hairs, so y'all gonna see me playing with them a little bit. I just did whatever came to my head. I don't want to do too much, but at the same time, I don't want to do too little either. So yeah, you just gonna see me pulling out my baby hairs and playing with them. And yeah. Instead of like buying something, you do it like that. Yeah. It's gonna be real good. It'll be real good too. Yeah, all you need is tea, lemon, and honey. Or you can just do lemon and honey. Warm it up, mix it up. And I also forgot to tell y'all that I'm just going in with my razor and just, trimming my baby hairs. Try to keep like your edges, like your side, like closer to your sideburns a little bit longer. And I'm just going in with my mini flat iron, which I got from the beauty supply. It was like $10. And just curling my baby hairs. And yeah, and it's like when your baby hairs are curled, it lays better. How can I? Yeah, it lays better because I already know what it want to do. You ain't got to put too much effort into it. But yeah. Finally finished my baby hairs. They're not perfect, but I was tired at this point. I had took a whole maybe 30-45 minute break after I had took my baby hairs out because I was tired and my back was hurting. So yeah, but we're coming up on the end of the video, y'all. So make sure y'all comment and tell me what y'all want to see next. And also ask me questions because I will be doing a Q&A soon. Follow me on Instagram at _.IamChocolate. Follow my hair page at conceited.touch. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. This is the finishing results, you guys. This hair is from ISEE Hair. And it is 26 inches. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the rest. Make sure y'all follow me on all social medias. And yeah. Thank you for watching.